Horses out, breaking alertly from that inside post. State Witness, moving up Alamid, Security Pro. Then comes Creation, Scout Ranger, Octoboy down on the inside. Gray Angel and Majestic into the turn they gallop. Alamid goes on by about 3 lengths. Security Pro in second, Octoboy in third, and followed by State Witness in fourth. Creation is racing in fifth, Scout Ranger, Gray Angel, and too far behind is Majestic. They swing into the back. And that's still Alamid setting up the tempo, this time by about 5 lengths. Security Pro remains in second, and in third, Octoboy, State Witness. Creation is racing in fifth, Scout Ranger, Gray Angel, and Majestic. And it's still Alamid by about 6 lengths. And in second, still is Octoboy now moving up. And in third, Creation down on the inside, Security Pro, Scout Ranger. As they come down at the last 200. Alamid now by about 7 lengths. Octoboy in second, moving up Creation on the outside. Scout Ranger has 75 meters from gate to wire. It's Alamid second. Octoboy, Creation, Scout Ranger, Gray Angel. Then comes Security Pro, State Witness.